So I woke up this morning to check my YouTube videos that I posted the previous night before I went to bed to see how they were faring. And to my shock, I got to YouTube and I discovered that my YouTube channel was no longer there. Then I got this email from YouTube that says my YouTube channel has been terminated. Trust me, I was devastated at that moment, not knowing exactly what to do. I was confused. So eventually, I started researching on how to get back my YouTube channel. And at a point, I figured it out and I was able to recover my YouTube channel. So in this video, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got my YouTube channel recovered in 48 hours. Okay. So if you follow the step by step that I'm going to be showing you in the course of this video, trust me, you should be able to get your YouTube channel recovered in 48 hours to 72 hours. Okay. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end and don't miss any step for you to get your YouTube channel back. Okay. Now let's get into the video proper. Let me show you how I got my channel back. Let's go. This is the message I actually got, the email I got from YouTube. You can say, we have reviewed your content and found severe or repeated violation of our spam, deceptive practices and scam policy. Because of this, we have removed your channel from YouTube. Guys, when I got this email, seriously, I was kind of down, right? So truthfully, before I got my channel terminated, there have been some warning coming from YouTube, which I tried as much as possible within my powers to keep to. Okay, but eventually I got my channel terminated. Okay, so I became so worried on what to do. So quickly, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I got my channel back. Okay, so if you scroll down, if you got this kind of email from YouTube, all you just need to do is just for you to scroll down. Okay, just scroll down. Then you're going to see where they will send you this message, and you will see if you believe that your channel account was terminated by mistake, you can appeal using this form. Okay, so I clicked on this form, and when I clicked on this form, this is how the form looks like. Okay, this is how the form looks like. So I'm going to be showing you the exact process, the two processes that I followed that I got my channel back in 48 hours. Okay, so when you click on that particular form that I told you, you can see unable to access a Google product. Okay, they say if you believe that your access to a Google product has been suspended in error for the account noted below, please provide the requested information. Now, for you to get this done, please make sure that that's YouTube email address, that Google YouTube email address that is attached to that YouTube channel is what you are logged into on your system. Okay, so you can see here I'm logged into that YouTube email channel. Okay, just go to Google like this. Okay, then make sure you are logged into that Google account. Okay, so after you log into that Google account, here you're going to make sure you put in your full name. Okay, you're putting your full name, then here you're going to put in the email address that is attached to that YouTube channel. Okay, so you can see my own email address is here. Then if you have a separate email address that you believe that YouTube should be able to reach you on aside from the YouTube email address that you have, then you have to make sure that you put in that email address right here. Okay, you put in that email address right here. Then when it comes down to this place where they say URL of your suspended YouTube channel, now they are talking about your YouTube channel address. Okay, now let me quickly show you how that is supposed to look like. This is how it is supposed to look like below here, but let me quickly copy it and paste it in here for you to be able to see it proper. Okay, just make sure it's on this https www.youtube.com/. Okay, now here you're going to put in your channel name. Okay, you can say Joseph. Okay, let's assume your YouTube name is Joseph. Okay, you're going to put that here. Okay, so whatever is your YouTube name, is what you're going to be putting just right after this slash here. Okay, so after you put that in here, right, put it in here, then you're going to scroll down. Okay, then here you're going to give them details of what happened. Okay, like, oh, I'm sorry, if I actually committed whatever I'm asking. It's an appeal. Okay, you can see briefly. Please briefly explain why you think your channel was suspended in error. Be sure to review your community guideline and copyright policies before submitting your appeal. Okay, so before coming here, you must have seen the reason why your channel was suspended. Okay, then you come in here and tell them the reason why your channel was suspended, and plead with them that they should give you another chance, that you're not going to repeat whatever happened again. And if yours is not due to community strike, probably it was terminated wrongfully, state it here. Let them know that my channel was removed wrongfully without committing any offense. Just tell them exactly what happened, that your channel was terminated. Okay, just make sure you put that in here. Okay, now after you do that, then you go ahead and submit. Okay, now when you submit, that is not the end. Okay, now I'm telling you exactly what I did, that I got mine back in 48 hours. Okay, so after you submit, then you're going to go to Twitter also. Okay, you're going to go to Twitter. Okay, one thing I like about YouTube is that they are very, very, very responsive on Twitter. When you send them message on Twitter, they actually respond to you faster than you expect. Okay, if you check here on Twitter, you can see them responding to a whole lot of people here. You can see them. You can see in 3 minutes, in 2 minutes, they respond to people here. So you're going to go to Twitter and you're going to type in here, let's say YouTube. I'm going to type in YouTube team. Okay, we're going to type YouTube team. So when you type in YouTube team, look at this particular one. This very one that has this yellow tick here is what you should be concerned about. Then you're going to click on it. When you click on it, it's going to bring you to YouTube handle on Twitter. Okay, then you're going to come down here and send them a message. Just click on this button here and send them a message. Now, what you are trying to do here is explaining to them what actually happened, why your channel was terminated. Okay, just exactly what you wrote here. Okay, but you see, in this particular form, please make sure you are not filling this form twice. Only fill this form once and send it, because if you fill this form and send it more than once, it's going to delay the process of attending to your issue. Okay, so make sure this form you fill it only once and send to them. Okay, so like as I was saying on Twitter, here you're going to explain to them exactly what happened. Then towards the end of the message, you're going to appeal to them that they should please restore back your channel, that you're going to abide with their rules and regulation henceforth. Okay, and trust me, within within 10 to 20 minutes, they are going to respond to you on Twitter. Okay, now when they respond to you on Twitter, you're going to see their response, and their response will determine what you're going to say to them. And hopefully within 48 hours to 72 hours, like I rightly said, your channel is going to be restored. I've had a whole lot of people come to me in my DM telling me that they are grateful that they follow the process I showed them, and that their channel has been restored. Okay, so I want you to go through this process that I just showed you here, and hopefully you're going to get your channel back. Okay, now I want to believe you got value from this video, and if you got value from this video, please don't forget to like this video so that others can also get help from this video. Okay, and also remember to subscribe to this channel if you've not done that before now. Okay, I hope you find help. Do take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next one, and bye bye for now.